Are you looking to heat up or cool down your home, business, or caravan with a professional air conditioning system set up by someone with diverse experience and unwavering expertise? You've come to the right place, CJ-aircons. We are a trusted air conditioning and installations company. With over 18+ years of experience, we provide professional, convenient services, repairs, or installations right at your premises. We pride ourselves on and treat as a matter of priority the necessary backup for those unforeseen circumstances that our valued clients may face with regard to aircon-related problems. We provide high-quality and proven installations. We offer our on-site services around Gauteng, Northwest, Mpumalanga, and Limpopo. We never hesitate to go the extra mile for our clients. We genuinely care about making sure you get only the best of the best. There's no time to lose. Get in touch with us today, we're always happy to help.